Today, there are present two students of Ishwati English Language Center. Right now, we want to discuss about cricket team in Bangladesh. Okay, and we both like the cricket team in Bangladesh because we live in Bangladesh. We are Bangladeshi.
But I not supported Bangladesh
Why don't you support Bangladesh?
because now we are see Bangladesh Cricket Board as grafted, eat grafted.
Oh, Gaftar.
Yes,
Oh, Gaftar means
grafted mean Ghush.
Ghushkhor.
Ghushkhor.
Okay, really, Gaftar.
Yes.
Especially in the Bangladesh cricket team have many players. Who is the best player for you?
Taskin Ahmed.
Taskin Ahmed.
Yes.
Okay. Do you like?
Yes.
Do you watch the cricket match in Bangladesh?
Yes.
Oh. Recently, and the cricket team in Bangladesh is going to damage. Why? Give you one example.
Because manager of Bangladesh Cricket Board, he is very grafted.
Clapters. Okay. What kind of effect or situation are you thinking about Bangladesh team?
My mind.
Uh, do you uh, do you think that any player may be add and
Yes,
some player
I think
maybe minus from team of the Bangladesh?
Tamim.
Yes,
Tamim.
Tamim Iqbal
Yes, and minus Shakib Al Hassan and Nazmul Hassan Shantu.
and Nazmul Hassan Shanto and Shakibul Hassan will
Yes,
be minus, and who will be add?
Tamim Iqbal.
Tamim Iqbal.
He is very good cricketer in the
Are
world.
you fan of Tamim
Yes,
Iqbal?
I am a big fan.